Hello, my family and friends. I have a few friends who are asking me why I cannot comment your video. So I think it's maybe me. I press something on my video, and I cannot comment. And I asked also a friend and said, "Did you turn off your comment? Because I cannot comment your video." And she said, "No, I didn't turn off my comment." So I said to myself, maybe that's my problem. So it's maybe me, but actually it's not only me who have problems in YouTube. In YouTube updates, which I read, but I don't really understand until there is a problem. Then we try to investigate why and what happened. And you know what?
TVC something ba?
Hello, my family and friends. I'm back, and I'm gonna show you why we cannot find or we cannot comment on a video. You know why? Because I'm using smartphone. I thought smartphone is smart enough, but it's not. So we'll investigate, and I know YouTube send me an email or changes to YouTube, but I don't really pay attention until there's a problem. So now I will tell you what happened and why we have problems that in smartphone. I don't know Android, but with the iPhone, this is the problem. When we get the video or comment the video of our friends or family members, we can see the in between there are videos. See? So I was like, where can I comment that it's videos below their video? So where I comment, I cannot comment on the top. I cannot comment where do I comment? So we got all kinds of questions regarding this. But you know what happened? You need to scroll to the very bottom. I guess YouTube will let us watch all the videos in between. Hopefully they get more money, and I'm hoping I'll get some money too. That's the problem. That's a problem. At the very end of those videos, there is go to comments, and now we can comment the video. So my friends, here is the videos. In the very bottom of the videos, there's the go to comment. See that? Go to comments, and we'll press that one, and now we can comment their video. So isn't that easy? Except nobody will tell us because we thought smartphone is smart enough to tell us everything. But no. And plus with the YouTube changes, that's the problem. Before it was easy, but I think they want us to watch the videos in between before we can go to the comments of the video we want to watch. So here you go, my friends. If you if you learned something from this tutorial, please give me a comment, like and comments over here. Please subscribe, and don't forget to press that bell button so you will get notified in my next video. Thank you for watching.